Today we're going to be demonstrating the Mojoverb. The Mojoverb is a tube-driven reverb unit that is designed to add spring reverb to your amp without the negative effect of altering your dry signal. Most reverb units attach before your amplifier, which means the signal going to your amp is altered before it even gets there. The Mojoverb takes its input from your speaker's output. Your amp's pure, straight signal mixes in the air with the signal from the Mojoverb. We're going to demonstrate hooking the Mojoverb up to a Mojo Tweed kit. Included with the Mojoverb is an adapter set, allowing you to connect to any amp with a 1/4 inch or RCA speaker connection. Amps with other connections may require a special harness. The first step in hooking up your Mojoverb is to disconnect the internal speaker connection of your amp. Then we're going to plug in the included 1/4 inch Y adapter. And then plug back into one side of the Y adapter your speaker. Next, we're going to be plugging in a speaker cord into the input of the Mojoverb. The other end, of course, into the Y adapter. Just a quick note on ground loops. Whenever you have a 3-prong cord on 2 amps and a signal line running between your 2 amps, you create the opportunity for a ground loop. This can cause an annoying hum. A common rule of thumb is to drop the ground on the lower power device by using a ground lift. The ground lift is also included in the Mojoverb accessories. We're now ready to turn on the power of the Mojoverb and your amp. Let's go over the controls of the Mojoverb. We've got dwell, volume, and of course the foot switch input. The dwell determines how hard the reverb tank will be driven. Where you set this depends on the output level of your amplifier. The volume control allows you to set the overall amount of wet signal you want to hear. One of the most exciting features of the Mojoverb is its ability to add discernible reverb to heavily distorted signals. Most spring reverb units can't do this. You can also affect the overall reverb mix by the room placement of the Mojoverb. You'll want to separately mic both the Mojoverb and your amplifier in a live big room setting. The foot switch simply turns the reverb on and off. We currently offer 2 different styles of the Mojoverb, the original curved front split 8 design and the more traditional vintage tweed 2x8 cabinet.